Hello, in this video we are doing a detailed view on heading elements using the page builder. If you don't already know how to edit with the page builder, please look at an earlier video in this series. But let's jump straight into it. We'll click edit with page builder on the page we want, and here we already have a page builder element set up. And to edit that, we just click the pencil, edit heading. Here is where you add the text, and then if we wanted to add a second line, you can click enter and click line 2, type line 2, and you'll see that automatically adds a new line in there. Often you don't have to worry because the text will automatically wrap if the heading were to be very long. So if we paste that a few times, you'll see that, oh, that's long enough, one more. You'll see that it will then automatically wrap down there. But let's get rid of that. Click Save Changes. To change the heading tag, so this is important for things like search engine optimization to have the right tag, and also they are pre-formatted to different sizes. So generally they go 1 to 6, bigger to smaller. So 1 will be bigger than heading 2 and heading 3, and etc. And it's best practice to not have multiple heading 1s on a page. So that's why the heading 2s are by default. We have predefined colors, which is in this color drop-down box here. So primary and secondary will match the style of your website. So these are already predefined. So for instance, it's pink and blue for primary and secondary. And then there are also other predefined colors, for instance, orange. Or you can click custom, and then you can select a custom color using this here. So if we wanted to make it this gross lime green, we can click that. But let's just make it the default color, which is a dark gray. You can select a few different styles here. These are predefined ones. So for instance, if you wanted to underline it, that will add a full width underline, which is the color of the primary theme color. You could also do a short underline, which adds that there, or a background color with the underline. So if you click Save Changes, it will add a background color here. In this case, it makes the text uppercase, and you could change that by using this to a custom color. You can see that there. But let's just change that, and lines before and after the text, just add a wee line before and after. This is better when the text is center aligned. So let's change that back to default. If we wanted to change the default alignment, just use this alignment box, click center, and that's there. Now you'll see that the heading is quite close to the text below it, so we can use the bottom margin to add some space below it. And so what we do is we just click. We can first of all do none, which makes even less, but in this case let's go medium to add quite a bit of spacing, and that is far too much, so we'll go small. And that is the main aspects of the heading element. Generally you don't have to worry about the element ID or class. Sometimes they will be populated, and that will be for a specific reason, so I suggest that you just do not delete the element ID or class if they are there. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or look at the website help section of your dashboard.